Welcome to the last video in this Basecamp Basics series, where we are covering the basics of operating Basecamp and how to get started. In this video, we're going to talk about how to actually shut off Basecamp notifications when you really want to focus on your work. So when you come to the Basecamp dashboard, if you click on the Hey section over here, you can see a red dot above the Hey section. This indicates that you have lots of notifications that are on your way and you have to read them. So the Hey place is basically the place of all your notifications whenever you are subscribed to a particular message board, or let's say somebody is mentioning you. Everything is actually shown in the Hey section. The ping section is basically your DM. So if you want to communicate with any other person through a personal chat, this is where you actually get to actually click on a particular message board and chat with that particular person. Now the way that you can actually shut off Basecamp notifications or control them is by clicking on your avatar and then clicking on the turn notification sections. So you can actually turn on notifications on and off. Now if you want to change how you receive notifications, you will have to click on this particular setting. Here you can actually control how and when you will receive notifications. So you can set to notify me about everything, or only notify me when someone pings me or mentions me. I prefer to do this because normally I would like to get notified if someone is pinging me or even mention me in any place. Also, another very good way to actually focus on your work is something called Work Can Wait. In this place, you can actually control your working hours and when do you like to actually get your notifications. So you can set the particular times or the days of the week where you want to be disturbed, or let's say you want to get hold of all the notifications. There is still another way by which you can control your notifications and to actually focus on your work. If you really are on heavy pressure and you just want 5 hours or 4 hours of complete silence where you can focus on your work, you can simply click on your avatar and turn on focus mode. Focus mode is basically a mode where all of your notifications are actually barred and you will receive no other notifications on your Hey section. So this is basically your time where you can focus on your work without getting disturbed. But do remember to turn off focus mode whenever you are out of that working zone, so that you don't miss out on any important notifications later in the future. So that's all about controlling your notifications. The thing about Basecamp is that no matter how diversify you make your projects or you make your workflow, it's always under your control. So for the smallest detail, you can do notifications, how you want to be notified, how you want to do your work. It's all under your control, and there's so much that you can do with Basecamp. I hope you like this video tutorial series, and I hope that you have everything that you need to get started. Thank you everyone. Thank you for joining this video series. I'll meet you next time. Goodbye.